has gone. We're going pretty slow, but I don't think it really matters too much now because this is the island that we're stopping at for the night. And so, you know, we're right there. What's just happened is Dad went to put some revs onto the engine to get us going a bit faster, and we both felt this shaking coming from that side, that engine down there. And so we think there may be a bit of plastic wrapped around either the rudder or the prop, and it's just kind of unbalancing it because of that plastic, if there is plastic. So he was just checking that side there and looking across. He couldn't see anything because the water's quite murky. Hopefully I don't have to get in and, you know, pull anything off here because the water is gross. And I'd rather just stay out.
I think you're going to have to get in, Declan.
Well, I'll maybe get in if there's something actually on there.
Well, I need someone to get up, have a real close look at it, at the propeller. Close look, like a real close look.
Yeah.
It's fine, it's just murky looking water. It's just, you know, estuary water. It's fine. But it's not very nice.
You guys better be liking this video and subscribing to us since I'm doing this.
Oh, good point.
This is horrible. I'm just gonna have a quick little peek. I'm literally going in right now.
Go.
Yeah.
Go, Declan.
Look at me, guys. I'm going in. Look, see?
Thing is, there's nothing to eat you there.
Yeah, but it's so
discouraging,
gross, and it's so like I can't see more than about arm's reach.
Yeah.
All right.
It is discouraging. Okay, here you go, Declan. Go. Have a good look, mate. You do need to have a really good look.
If I die, I'm gonna kill you guys. I am a man.
Why are you starting on that side as well?
Because apparently this is where it is.
2,000 years later.
Here he goes. Hey! Got it all? Well done, Declan. Oh,
I got as much of it as I could see around the prop.
just wait there. Wait there, buddy. Don't go anywhere until we get sure. Okay, we're forward. And there's no judders. Well done, Declan. Now tell me, what did you experience as you were under the water there, Declan?
It was chill. Yeah, I mean, like I said, murky.
Yep.
It's quite warm, which is a little, doesn't make me feel any better about how gross the water is when it's warm and yuck. It's like a soup. Hello everybody. You might be wondering why am I talking to you like this, and that's kind of a weird place to be doing a headshot talking, but there's a reason behind this, and that reason is that I literally don't have any more footage of the time period that I'm editing right now because I have misplaced a hard drive and I don't know where it is. So instead I've got this video that I filmed a little bit earlier of me editing one of my photos. Something different, but hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. Anyways, oh, it's bright. Thank you guys. Bye. Okay, so it's 10:08 p.m. right now, and I'm here in Lightroom, and I took a photo earlier today of my room. In the corner, there's a light beam going in, and I don't know, I saw it, and I was like, you know what? I want to do something a little bit abstract. I'm gonna take a photo of it, and I don't know, there was a certain vibe that I got from it, and I'm gonna try and edit it for you, and I'm gonna take you guys along the journey of me editing this photo. And so yeah, I think this is gonna be fun. I think this is gonna be cool, and yeah, let's get into it. You can see the light beam here going onto the wall and the white leather on the wall, and I don't know, I just saw it and I really liked it. But it's a little dark up in the top left corner and just all around, kind of apart from the middle. All of it's a little bit dark. But no, I kinda like that, but I'm not sure. I reckon I'm just gonna see, I'm gonna maybe just increase that a little bit. Maybe take a little bit of contrast out, which kind of takes some of the saturation as well. See before, after. I kind of like that. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. And I might just lift those highlights a little bit. Kind of just accentuate, you could say, that light beam. Maybe just drop it a little bit. Yeah, like that. Okay. And then shadows. Yeah, let's bring those just a little bit. We're plus 19. That looks pretty good. So a quick before and after. I want it to be kind of like moody, but not too moody. Maybe a little bit orange. A little more warmth in it. Yeah. I like that. Maybe even some green, maybe. Yeah. A little bit of green. I like that. I think that looks good. We'll move down here to the whites. Yeah. Now I want that to be kind of really, really pop. I want that to really kind of draw your attention. Like, where's this coming from, kind of thing. And then maybe even bring a little bit more light to the blacks. That's nice. I like that. Okay. I'm gonna take some clarity out of it, just to make it a little bit kind of dreamy-ish. Dehaze. I'm gonna take off some dehaze. So I'm gonna minus that, so it makes it kind of hazy, kind of dreamy. I like that. I think that looks alright. And I'll just bring those highlights up just a little bit more. Make a nice little S curve here. Maybe drop those highlights a little bit. And I'm gonna lift the blacks like that to give it that kind of retro-y, kind of, I don't know, little spice added in there. So we'll go quick before and after, and already. I mean, I like that just how it is, but I'm gonna move on. And now this is where we're gonna start to cook here. You're gonna see in this right-hand panel here, we've got the hue, we've got the red, orange, yellow, green, all that. And there's only really, if you look back to before, there's kind of like a blue and an orangey, the orange of the wood. So I reckon get that red. And that's gonna affect the wood and kind of bring that more to the pinky side. So it makes like a deep oaky, really nice. I like that. And then the orange, that's be affecting that. We can either make that red or kind of like a greeny yellow. I'm gonna bring that a little bit to the greeny yellow side, just +5. That's nice. And I think that's all good for the hues area. Saturation. Yeah, I'm gonna add some saturation to that wood just to give it that nice glow. Now I'm just gonna leave the saturation on the orange as it is. Now that's kind of affecting more the brighter parts of the wood. I'm gonna bring that up a little bit. The luminance. The luminance panel stands for the brightness of how bright that color is. So you move the luminance to the darker side and make it darker. Move the luminance slider to the lighter side, make that color brighter. So I'll bring that up a little bit and bring the orange up a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. And that looks, honestly, I really like that. But I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna move down to the where is it? The grain panel. Now I'm gonna add some grain in here, kind of give it that vintagey, make the size a little bigger and the roughness a little bit up. Yeah, I like that. I really like this. I like this image. I really like this image right now. I think this looks really cool. But we're not done. I'm gonna move into the masking panel, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a circle around this area right here, and I'm just gonna move those highlights up just a little bit, just so it's make that bit a little bit more standy-outy than the rest. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate this and invert the mask. So now everything but that is inverted, and I'll make that feather, make sure the feather's up at 100, and then I'm gonna drop the highlights a little bit. Like that, so your attention is automatically drawn a little more to the center. So I'll take off those two masks, that's what it looks like before with it. It's very subtle, but it just kind of makes it a little bit brighter in that middle area, a little bit more spice. So I really like that. And honestly, leave it at that. I think that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I really like that. And there we go. That's me editing that photo. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think. And yeah.